In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to install the C compiler and the C IDE Integrated Development Environment Cobras software. This Cobras software is useful for C, C++, and Fortran. Cobras software is an IDE for cross-language, including C, C++, and Fortran. And it is cross-platform. You can use it for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. And it comes with built-in compiler GCC. This GCC is the GNU software, so it is open source, it is free. And Cobra is also free. So I'm introducing this IDE environment. It's totally free. You don't need to pay anything. Even if it is for commercial purpose, it is completely free. And this software is also compatible on Linux because GCC is very popular on Linux and Mac OS. And this development environment includes multiple design C compiler framework and API, such as Qt, ARM, GTK, Dynamic Linking Library, OpenGL, OpenCV, WX widgets, and many others. And when you install this software, please include this min.gw package, and it is for the GCC compiler. If you don't choose it, then you will miss the min.gw package, the GCC package. Then you will have to install the min.gw separately, and it is very tedious. So when you install it, please include the min.gw. Now let's go to install the Cobras. First, you need to find a browser and type in Cobras. And this link for Cobras will show up. Just click it. And Cobra website will show up. You just click download. Right now it's 16.01. And there are three options. You can download binary, or you can download the source code, or you can download source code from SVN. If you want to recompile it or make some modification, you can download the source code. But right here, we just need the binary release. And if you need some beta version, you can download the nightly build. And we just need this binary release. And when you click it, it will show up like this. And let's scroll down. It has the Windows version, Linux version, and Mac version. Apparently, Mac version has fewer options. And right here, we have the Cobras 16.01 setup, Cobras 16.01 setup non-admin, and we need the one with the min.gw and setup. So let's click this one. And you have two options. Download it from sourceforge.net or FastHub. I would pick this SourceForge one. And right here, it starts to download Cobras. And as you can see, it shows up right here. It has some time, so we will come back when it is done. Now it is done. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes. After it is done, let's click it. And then you can do open or show folders. Let me try this show in folder. In my Windows 10 system, it show up this. Just double click it, and it is the executable for the setup. And when you see this welcome to Cobra setup, click next. And license agreement, you can take a look on it and click I agree. You try to install everything, including the compiler min.gw. Click next. And it will install in the C program files x86 Cobras. Click install. The installation is quite fast on my Windows 10 machine. It takes about maybe 30 seconds. Now it is done. It shows up, do you want to run the Cobras now? Click yes. And while it brings the Cobra up, let me go to C drive, program file x86, and there is a Cobra directory, click on it. And there is a min GW, that's our GCC compiler. Click in there, there is binary and libraries, all binary. Here has the C++, CPP, and GCC, the compiler. So I have installed the min GW for GCC compiler. And the installation is complete. Click next. Complete Cobra setup, finished. And right here, when I bring up the Cobra system, it shows the GCC compiler detected. Click OK. And it shows up with a message. Cobra is currently not a default application for C++ source file. Do you want to set it as default? I want it to be default, so I would click yes. Associate Cobra with C++ file types. The next option is yes, associate Cobra with every supported type, including project file from other IDEs. I don't want to do that, so I click the third one. Click OK. Now, you have your Cobra up and running. Now, let's create a new project. You click File, and then New, and click Project. And here are several different options. Choose Console Application, and then click Next. I would like to demo in C program, so I choose C, Next. And project name, let's name it as Test. And I would like to choose a new directory and try to go to my C drive. Under my directory, I would like to create a new directory. The name is C Dev for C development. Let me click it. And then click OK. And then click Next. And leave everything there. And right here, let me click. There's a new program. The name is main.c. And right here, it includes the standard io.h and standard library stdlib.h. And let me click build for compilation. You can click compile current file or click build the whole project. But right now it's only one file, so it's the same. And you can also click build and run. Let me click build. And you can also use this symbol here for building the program. Let me click build. No error, no warning. And let me click the blue one for run, or you can click here for the run. Let me click this green button. And it comes out with hello world. And right here, it says process return 0, execution time is this much. And press any key to continue. So let me click any key and close it. And if you don't like this return 0, you can change it to void. And this one, I just comment that out. And again, I can build. It comes with one warning, but let me run it. The warning is on that return value, so that one is a system call, but it's okay. And let me put it back. Let me save it. Now I'm going to demo another compilation for C++. Again, click the workspace and now new, a project again. And same thing, we click this console application and choose C++. And project title is also test. And this time, I need to click on this Eric Chow directory, click make a new folder, and type in CPP dev for C++. And now click OK, and leave everything there as well. And it shows up right here, same thing. This time let me use build and build and run. It comes out with the result right away. So please download this software and play around it. Thank you. Bye.